Sancocho. Rice, vegetable, and meat stew. A side dish from Dominican Republic. You will need 24
Serves 8.
ingredients. Step 1. The day before, to save some time, you can cook the meats and store them in the refrigerator. The way to cook them is the following. Step 2. Cut the chicken into different pieces. Wash the chicken with naranja agria, taking out the skin and excess grease. Add onions, garlic, bell pepper, English sauce or soy sauce, tomatoes and salt. Step 3. After half an hour,
Cook the pork
cook the
chops
chicken
and
without
go to the
adding
same way as
tomato
the chicken,
sauce.
but cook them separately.
Add more water than usual.
Add more
so
water
that you
than
can use the
usual so that
resulting
you can use
sauce.
the resulting
Do not
sauce.
let get the chicken to
When
become
done,
too tender.
save it in the refrigerator.
When done, save it in the refrigerator.
Step 4.
Cut the salt pork in small pieces, half an inch, and pass it through hot vegetable oil to give a nice color. Add some water and cook. Do not let get the salt pork become too tender. Step 5. Cut the sausage in small pieces, half an inch each, and fry the pieces. Save the vegetable oil. Step 6. Take the peel of the yucca, plantain, bananas, malanga, Spanish pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and white yam and cut them into small pieces. Put them in salt water so that they do not become black. Step 7. In a large pot or 2 medium-sized pots, put the salt in the water. Add the onions, bell pepper, leaves of parsley and cilantro, Spanish pumpkin, corn, plantain, bananas, and malanga.
Step 8.
When they are getting
Put the
tender,
Spanish
add
pumpkin
all the
in
other
2
vegetables.
portions,
The
the
first
first
one
one
to
to
add
add
thickness to the
Add 2
sancocho,
tablespoons
and the
of the
second
oil
to eat
in
with
which
the
the
sausage
sausage
was
was
fried.
If
Naranja
some vegetables
agria,
are too tender,
vinegar,
take
garlic,
them out.
and check the salt.
When the sancocho
Do
is
not
done,
let the
put them
sancocho
in
become
again.
too thick.
Countries,
When done,
travel.
you can serve the sancocho